My name is Marie and I'm from beautiful Eastern Canada. I explore and travel the world by myself or with friends to escape the 9-to-5. Make sure to subscribe and come along on this journey as we discover the most amazing places the world has to offer. Hey everyone, welcome to Bali in Indonesia. We're gonna be exploring, hold on, so come along. I'm here for about 12 days with 13 other friends. You may have seen them before on this channel. So this morning we woke up early to come and catch the sunrise at some rice terraces.
Tegalalang. What is it, Craig?
Tegalalang.
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 Terrace. AKA Tony Caramel's home. What a lucky guy. I'll never forget when you
Sweating heavily.
You put the spice rack
Profusely.
the stick on the
It's early. Got no breakfast. Whose idea was it?
Yours?
That was my idea. I'll take the blame.
Just like glisten.
I know, what's that about?
We don't. We don't.
I just melt.
I did.
I shimmer.
I get a mustache.
Curls up like a villain from the 1970s. Dick Dastardly. Yeah.
Don't trip, Amy.
No. We're going to go and lie in there, we'll take a picture and just do a little starfish.
You do it. I'll watch you.
That's what they call that.
Steps are not messing around.
It's a gentle incline.
Beautiful. Yeah. Absolutely gorgeous. Sweating to prove it.
James, we found your sombrero.
Get a green one.
You think?
Yeah.
They are fancy.
Hold on. Come on, Tony.
Not sure how many engineers built that bridge.
Oh, Tony, you made it!
Come on then.
This place is beautiful.
Okay.
We found a restaurant right next to the terrace. It's kind of cool. And we're gonna eat here. We're gonna spend $2.50 each on drinks and food to use the pool.
That's too hard to do.
We can manage. Yeah. Keen for a swim?
I'm going straight in, clothes and all.
The monkey forest to see some monkeys, obviously.
I'll live without rabies, hopefully.
Monkeys! Can't see them!
Monkey forest.
Well, there are things for
Tell us about the rules, Amy.
Do not run. Do not look the monkeys in the eye. Do not panic.
Thank you.
Do not wear glasses.
No.
Hello, mate. Just vines hanging around and stuff for the vlog.
Remember rule number 2? Well, I did. Did you see that?
Yeah. I thought they were coming after me.
I thought he was gonna climb. Then I would have been just having a stroll at the Ubud Palace. It's very pretty. We don't know if they have ceremonies, but it's... Whoops.
Sorry.
A little crowded.
Did you like it?
Love it.
Yeah. Did we lose Dusty?
And Sarah.
Yeah.
We picked up Lena. So.
Yeah.
2 for the price of 1. And James. Not
No?
Oh, good.
James just appears as just name.
I know.
Hello.
Let me give you a tour of our beautiful villa in Bali.
Morning.
Sunday, it's got biscuit stuff in it, McDonald's sauce.
Yum.
Oh my goodness.
This time everything is different. Can you feel it too? Can you feel it too? So far, there's nothing that you're missing. Feeling something new, feeling something. I can feel it coming. I can feel it coming. Not waiting for the sunrise. 'Cause we're rolling in the new time.
Good.
She does have her indicator on, but she's a natural.
We can go around the corner and just like, please come back. In one piece. Ready as I've ever been. Oh, here we go.
Going for a ride. Kuta Beach. Took us, what, an hour to get
lost
here?
a little bit.
Yeah, on scooters.
We managed.
We've made it.
We managed our scooter drive.
Yes. Amy, my driver. Excellent passenger. Excellent driver.
You were a great navigator.
Yes, and navigator.
And you were a great flight attendant.
And we didn't lose anyone on our watch.
They lost us, so it's different.
We might have been abandoned, but we made the best.
That's what we'll stick to.
Yeah.
What did we get ourselves into?
A lot of hassle.
Look at this, Steve.
So, I didn't agree to this.
She put one on my ankle. I keep saying no.
What's happening now? She's just piling them on you.
Yeah.
We found a little jam, Brazilian cuisine.
Yeah, called Sunday Kitchen. Yeah, it's amazing. And quite authentic Brazilian as well.
Oh yeah.
You know, I've been there. Go for it. It's really good. Good, huh? How did we not find this place until our second to last day?
Happy dance.
Jamaican honey cotton rain is only water falling, good for growing.
Two mojitos.
Thanks, Ree. You're a bride also, yeah?
Oh, you're all bright.
Sneaky devil.
We started. Good roots grow in
At the Blue Lagoon.
Oh, you're filming that?
Ah, no pressure. Yep.
Nungnung Waterfall. It's a beauty. It's a little bit wet. It's worth it after a long bike ride and shaky jelly legs coming down the stairs. I got down the bottom and I was like,
We'll see when we get back up.
yeah, it's
We're
going to
gonna
be a
get better.
challenge.
Yeah.
Maybe we get a taxi.
Was it worth it?
I think so. Going from one having a beautiful waterfall down there to having a beautiful waterfall on my back. But yeah, it's worth the trek.
Found a good spot. And then after we're gonna have donuts.
Yeah, they're right over there.
We're ready. Just got donuts! Let's try. Yeah, good choice.
Yes, we did. I probably won't do that again. It was fun.
How did you like it?
I'm coming back every day.
I loved it. So much fun.
Experience A.
You didn't know that. I say I'm coming back every day. That is if I can move my arm. TBD. Oh man.
Well, when you actually ride a wave and stand up, 10 out of 10. How many 10s out of 10 do I have? 1. And it's worth it. I'm bloody tired now though.
Does that mean the overall experience is 1 out of 10 then, if we're doing math?
Don't confuse me any more than I already am. I've been beaten up by the Indian Ocean for about the last 2 hours, Dustin. Don't confuse me with basic maths.
Thank you guys for watching, and I'll catch you in the next one. Right on time for sunset. Sunrise.
Whatever. Yeah.
We're at the monkey farm in Ubud
Forest. I don't think they're farming the monkeys here.
Monkey Forest.
This is an absolute comedy sketch. Carnage, lads, carnage. His body's everywhere.